Ground floor. You have arrived.
Bong. Yep, you have arrived. And welcome in, everybody. This is the new channel that I've started. And of course, it's going to teach you nothing and everything about CapCut because as an iPhone user, as a Mac user, iMac, Mac Mini, Mac Pro, some type of TV that I got the other day. I don't know. But these video tutorials are going to be all about CapCut and how iPhone users can get around not having to do things on a PC because we don't have PCs. We're PC-less, and that's why this channel is called Windowless CapCut Editors. Anonymous? No. It's a working title, but yep. But anyway, we're Windowless CapCut creators. There you go. We'll type that in. All right, guys. That's it for now. So, shit. Why not?